Bye, Sam!
Ayun niya.
Sila yung bagong pencil case.
Daddy, Mommy!
Hi! Hello, Yenson! Hello, Henny! Hello! Ano pa yan? Hello, everyone at school! Here's your classmate, Sab. She's doing.
No, don't!
It's her favorite thing to do. Right, Sab? Right?
It's the only thing she wants to do.
It's the only thing she wants to do. Hi. How does a
How does a mommy and a zombie walk?
walk? Bye.
Yeah, here. I get pink. I got purple too. Yeah. I think you're teaching me not good.
What do you have for Mombi?
A letter.
Who made it?
Me.
What's in it? What does it say there? Can you read it? Or you want to show it?
Yeah. And
Open it.
it's this.
That's us now.
Oh.
The other.
Thank you, love.
Welcome.
Thanks for making it.
Welcome.
Love you.
Where's the one from Sam?
I'm gonna keep your letters. Where's that one? Where's the other letter that you wrote for Mom the last time? Where it says, I love you, Mommy. I want to keep it too. Is it upstairs?
I think. This is a door.
Tama na ba, ano na bilobot, puno na kaya akong sundo, wala na yung space.